Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I am gonna tell you about how you can set screen lock and pattern password in your Redmi smartphone. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then subscribe to it and like our video. So let's start friends. First you have to open your settings, click on this fingerprint face and screen lock, then click on screen lock and apply the password. You will see there are three options: pattern, pin, password. So you can choose pattern as you can, and here it is pin. You have to enter 4 to 16 digit to unlock device, and in password enter 4 or more letters numbers to unlock device. You can just set pattern instead like this, click on confirm, and this is set. Now you have to turn on it, and this is how you can turn on it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.